Well, the issue that put Bengaluru in an embarrassing situation on a national platform, the garbage issue, is back to haunt the Silicon City again, as the residents of Mandur are up in arms against the officials for not finding a long-time solution. Well, the garbage time bomb that Bengaluru was sitting on has exploded again. The villagers in Mandur, who had agreed to tolerate the mess for a year, have started protesting as they did not see any concrete action take place to clear the mountain of garbage in Mandur. No waste is being allowed to be dumped in Mandur by the villagers. District in charge Minister Ramalinga Reddy, Arvind Limbavali, City Mayor Katte Satyanarayana and BBMP Commissioner Lakshmi Narayana were gherraud by the angry locals and driven out. They tried to convince the residents about the Palike's commitment to process the waste accumulated there but failed. They are now holding a meeting at the zonal office to resolve the issue. My colleague Harish joins us with the latest from Mandur. Well, Harish, take us through the latest details.
Well, the information we are getting in at this point in time is, Nishita, that the meeting at the BBMP Madhepura zonal office has got over, and perhaps in the next few minutes you can expect Ramalinga Reddy and the mayor to address the press conference and come out with their version on what they think will be the solution for this problem. Remember, the Mandur residents are saying that they will not allow any garbage trucks. They have had enough of this messy environment in their area, and they are saying that we have accepted the assurance given by the BBMP time and time again, but now no more can they take this assurance by the BBMP. They do not trust that BBMP will do anything concrete for them.
Right, absolutely. And are we seeing the situation go out of hand? Are we still seeing them protesting? Is it volatile at the moment?
Well, it's not volatile, but they are definitely protesting. They are saying that we will not allow any garbage trucks to go and dump the garbage. Remember, every evening the garbage trucks start from the city and reach Mandur, and all night the dumping happens at the Mandur landfill. But they are saying that this evening they will not allow any garbage truck to pass through their village, Nishita. So the BBMP is really in a tight spot to find another place to dump garbage or convince villagers of Mandur that they will allow dumping of garbage for the next few months, at least till the BBMP makes alternate arrangements.
But is there any genuine attempt being made at all by the government to come up with an alternative arrangement?
Well, they have had time to come up with alternative arrangements, but they have failed to do so. Remember, roughly 2 years back, when Mavalipura was shut down, the BBMP gave assurance to KSPCB, also people of Mandur, stating that we will gradually decrease the number of trucks dumping garbage at Mavalipura, beg your pardon, the Mandur landfill. We will encourage and make sure that segregation of source happens, and we will also come up with biomethanization plants in at least 5 to 6 places in Bengaluru and make sure that the garbage that reaches the landfill is reduced, but that hasn't happened. And with this, even the KCDC plant shut by the BBMP, they really do not have any other option now in case Mandur villagers decide to say no to garbage trucks, Nishita.
Right, and also any concrete solution being offered to the villagers there? The villagers, are they willing to allow the garbage trucks to come in? Any middle ground being reached at the moment?
Well, they are in talks with several leaders from the Mandur village, but remember, time and time again, they have been given various sorts of assurance from stating that the garbage trucks will be reduced to clean drinking water, to good roads. There have been various assurances, but nothing has happened. So villagers of Mandur are demanding that now the dumping of garbage be stopped, and all the garbage that has piled up at Mandur landfill be cleared. That's their only demand. They are saying they are not ready to negotiate or ready to take any of your assurances.
Right, thank you for joining us with all those details there, Harish. Let's listen to what a few of the protesters had to say.
ನಾವು ವಿಷಯ ಕುಡಿದು ಮಂಡೂರು ಗ್ರಾಮಸ್ಥರಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ ಏನೋ ಏನೋ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಕಣ್ಣ ನೀರತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಟ್ಲಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಕಡೆಗೂ ಮಾನ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ವಿಷ ಕೊಡೋದೊಂದು ಇಬ್ರು ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ಯಾವನು ಬದುಕಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಬಗ್ತಾನ ರಾಮಲಿಂಗ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಬಗ್ತಾನ ಮೇಯರ್ ಬಗ್ತಾನ ಅವ್ರು ಐಸಿ ಒಳಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನಾವು ವಿಷ ಕೊಡು ಸಾಯ್ರ ಏನ್ರಿ ಇದು ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ ಇದು? ನೋಡ ವಿಷ ಕುಡಿತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ವಿಷ ಕುಡಿತೀವಿ.
ಸರ್ ಏನು ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು, ಮೇಯರು, ಉಪಮೇಯರು, ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಗ್ಧ ಜನರು ಹೋರಾಟದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅರಿವಿಲ್ಲದಂತ ಜನ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋರಾಟಗಳು ನಡೆದಂತದ್ದು ಸನ್ನಿವೇಶಗಳು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಮುಗ್ಧ ಜನರುಗಳು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಳ್ಳಾಟ ನೂಕಾಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗೊಂದಲ ಆಗಿ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ತಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಏನು ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಮಾನ್ಯ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು. ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗೊಂದಲ ಆಗಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಳ್ಳಾಟ ನೂಕಾಟದ ನೋಡಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮುಂದಿಂದು ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೋರಾಟ ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಸ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಬೇಕು, ಈ ಕಸ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ದು ಎರಡೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಒಂದು ಬರಬಾರ್ದು ಕಸ, ಒಂದು ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಕಸ.
ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊಡಿ, ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಕಸ ನಿಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಶಾಂತಿಯುತವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ ನಂತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಡಂಪಿಂಗ್ ಯಾರ್ಡ್ ಹತ್ರ 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಗ್ರಾಮಸ್ಥರು. ಆ ಡಂಪಿಂಗ್ ಯಾರ್ಡ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದಾಗ ಅವರು ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇರಕ್ಕಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನಾಕಾರರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಒಪ್ಪಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಪ್ಪದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜನಗಳು ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಜೀಪ್ಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ಡ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಬಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊಂದಲ ಆಯ್ತು. ಗೊಂದಲ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಪೊಲೀಸರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಳ್ಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾತುಕತೆಗೆ ಬಂದವರು ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸಚಿವರು. ಇದು ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಸಚಿವರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಮೇಯರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಶಾಸಕರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಏನಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಬಗೆಹರಿಸಕ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
Well, my colleague Harish has been closely tracking all the developments at Mandur. Let's listen to what he had to say.
Well, one precise reason why villagers of Mandur are protesting is because all the waste that is being dumped here is not segregated at all. Just look at where we are. You might feel this is a mountain. Yes, this is a mountain, but it's not a natural mountain. This is a mountain that has been made by the garbage that has been dumped over the few months, over the past few years. In fact, look at the kind of pile up over here. This is all unsegregated garbage from Bangalore, just dumped right, left, center over here in Mandur. The amount of garbage that has been dumped is so huge that the agency that is doing processing over here, that's the Srinivasa Gayatri agency, has completely failed to even segregate and process this. Look at this huge pile of garbage. Well, if this is one problem, the second problem emerges from the leachate that comes out of this, the harmful waste water that comes from this, that is actually spoiling the groundwater over here. Right now we are not tying a hanky or using any cloth to cover our nose, but trust me, the stench over here is so bad that you can hardly stay here for a few minutes. Imagine the case of villagers of Mandur who have to stay here, who have been staying here for the past few years. Just look at this place. You can see garbage everywhere. You have schools over here. You have the Narayana school. You have the New Baldwin school. You have several lifts that are coming over here. You have the water tank that provides water to Mandur. Well, clearly all the possible environmental norms and other rules in this country have been violated at this particular landfill over here in Mandur. At least now will the BBMP wake up and make sure that it gets its segregation drive in place and make sure that it has a concrete, environmentally feasible solution for the garbage mess in Bengaluru. With camera person Patil, Harish Upadhyaya, News 9, Bengaluru.